Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about fifth problem, that is even matrix. So I hope you already did problem statement. So let's discuss this using examples. So let's take an odd n, that is n equals to 3, and now first of all let's create a matrix from 1 to n square. And now we can see, so in this matrix we have to satisfy these conditions, that is m of rc. So let's take r and c equals to 1 and a equals to 2. That is, since r and c is 1, so m of rc will be 1 and this term will be m of 3, that is 9. So, and sum of and diagonal cells should be even. So this wants to say that if we take a submatrix, that is square submatrix, then its diagonal points and diagonal points sum should be even. So if we take this whole square matrix, then n diagonal points are 1 and 9 and its sum is even, and another diagonal points are 3 and 7, that is 10, which is already even. And if we again take this square matrix of size 1 cross 1, so it is 1 plus 1 is even, and again 1 plus 1 is even. So now let's take this square matrix or any of the square matrix, that is 5 plus 1 is even and 2 plus 4 is even. So for n equals to odd, the default matrix, that is from 1 to n square, is already satisfying these conditions. So let's take an even n, that is n equals to 4. For this matrix, for this n, let's create a default matrix, that is from 1 to n square. So we can see it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to n square. And now again we apply these conditions for, let's take this whole matrix, that is 4 cross 4 matrix. So we can see 16 plus 1 is odd, so we have to arrange these elements such that this and this should be even, and again these are, some of these numbers are odd, so this is not satisfying these conditions. So we have to make some changes in this matrix to satisfy all these conditions. So we can see for odd submatrix in an even matrix, it's satisfying conditions, that is if we take 11 plus 1 is even and 3 plus 9 is even. So we have to make changes in alternate rows. So now how we can do this? We can just simply add 1 in odd term of even row, subtract 1 from even column of even row. So we can see 6 minus 1, and now if we convert all these numbers, we have a matrix which is this one. So now if we apply all those conditions on this matrix, we can see 1 plus 15 is even and 4 plus 14 is even, and for odd submatrix, that is 11 plus 1 is even, 9 plus 3 is even, and 1 plus 5 is even, 6 plus 2 is even. So let's code this. Let's take t-test cases, and now let's take n, let's create a if else condition for odd n and even n. So if n is odd, then we have to print default matrix, that is print our matrix. So I have created this macro here, you can see that goes from 1 to n. So now this print, let's take a variable a, initially 1, and we have to print A, and increment A. And now for every row we have to change our line. So now let's print our matrix if n is even. So let's print these are two nested for loop. And now if we have to make change in even rows, so if I is even, that is if I modulo 2 is 0, so j is even, then we will print a minus 1. And now if j is odd, then we will add 1 to a. And now if row is odd, that is first row, third row, and so on, then we will just print a, that is and now increment a and change our line for new row. So this is done. Let's print our matrix. Let's take two test cases, that is for 3 and for n equals to 4. So we can see it's printing correct matrix. For 3 it's the default matrix, and for 4 it's changing the alternate elements. Now we can submit this code. So we can see it's AC here. So for any doubt you can comment down below, and thank you.